Good day, everybody. It's your girl again, Pretty Kai, and welcome back to my world. So, yesterday, the 27th, of February, we class be cancelled. So we decide for Kana Beach. Mind you, we college get a beach. So Kana the beach, we stroll, just consider and get fun, take pictures. So yeah, the show now around me college. So if you look for a college, a university where they communicate with nature, kinda the Milton Magai Technical University. So I the show now around, and yeah, it's now me. I communicated with nature. By the way, anyway, guys, that make una hear you wait till be the talk. How be you communicate with nature? The girl was just enjoying it. Yeah.
That's this money from our attack man! No video. Yeah, don't play. So guys, we are the second enemy food. No video. Yeah, don't play. So guys, we are the second enemy food. Guys, we are the second enemy beach. We call it beach. Yes. Today they cancel class, so we decided to go to beach. Who don't know in college got beach?
I follow.
Turn on the phone, bastard. See, turn on. Now we call it the beach is. If you come my guy, you know some people only miss. Can I meet him, my guy? We college got beach. Oh, yes. We communicate with nature, we vibe with nature. You college got beach. Yes, I meet my guy at 10. Oh, no, get class. With a kind of beach. Yes, I meet my guy at 10. We can get a secret meeting at beach with a camp. Yes, I meet my guy at 10. Well, you one camp below the balcony, I do the blah blah blah. Yeah. I meet my guy at 10. We get two beautiful things about class. When you get blah blah blah, when you know that class now, Ben Tanya. Say the WhatsApp. 661. Yeah. They don't go. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, share, and
So guys, these are some pictures where I just decided for show now. Yeah, when nature meets nature. Look at the baby cow. The booty is booty and the body is banging. The skin is skinning. Bye. Comments.